And if you talk about I2U2, all these nations are coming together, and if we have peace here, our own security and our own economic development and economic relations are definitely going to improve, because earlier also we remember in 1991 the Gulf crisis brought India to a halt. Yes, remember the Gulf crisis of 1991? 1991 Gulf crisis, we remember that, right? Yes, we remember LPG. So naturally, crisis in Middle East has always been a problem for India, India's security, India's self-sufficiency. And now even today, if we talk about Middle East and if we talk about the Arab nations, they have always been under speculation, and we always have an effect on our economy every time there's an up and down there. Yes, because of our dependency, because of the level of import we have, right? Exactly. Now we have IMEC, that is a multi-modal connectivity initiative. Now this was launched during the G20 summit 2023 that happened in New Delhi. Signatories were India, US, Saudi Arabia, UAE, France, Germany, Italy and European Union. Remember the signatories for prelims, and the initiative is a part of partnership of global infrastructure and investment. While we are talking about global infrastructure and investment, is the current infrastructure not AI oriented? And if we talk about being AI oriented and technology oriented, we definitely need what? Critical minerals. And as far as India is concerned, our critical mineral status is not that good. As for I2U2, we see the initiative is a new grouping of India, Israel, USA and UAE. So this was also done in 2021 following the Abraham Accords that happened between Israel and UAE. Yes, they had maritime security issues. Now this is obviously, at that time, this was being called International Forum for Economic Cooperation. Talk about its evolution and prelims fact. This is important for prelims. Earlier it was known as International Forum for Economic Cooperation, which was referred to as West Asian Quad. We used to call it West Asian Quad. Yes, exactly. This is I2U2. Now India has called upon reiterating these two organizations because they clearly have a better participation, better group of countries that can definitely maintain peace here, that can definitely bring more cordiality and more standards here. Yes.